Mr. Man. Do you need your food over here instead or something? Hang on. You coming this way for it? All right. Good boy. Morning, everyone. It's supposed to be in the 40s today, but right now, it's cold. And not windy down here near the house. I've been watching. The robins have been all in these holly trees this morning going crazy. I didn't get outside yesterday to try to shoot any pictures. I just wanted to stay inside where it was warm. Maybe today. We'll see what they're doing when it's a little, the sun's in a better position and, you know, I'm got my chores done. Stripes in the house. Well, let me go get this ice bowl here and, hi Morris. Good boy. And get him some fresh water, even though that's still looking good. Although it's got mud in it, I'm going to need to spill it and refill it. Good morning, Panther. Hey, bud. Oh, I was a little upset yesterday because I did not see Spot on the security camera or in person, which does not 100% mean that he's not here, because a few of the days when he was here, he stands there for such a long time and he moves so slow and timid to come up to the bowls that sometimes the camera doesn't detect the motion. And I see him on the time-lapse photos versus a video. But yeah, I would have much preferred to have seen him. No, I don't think the cold got him. Amazon came late. Don was working by the front door. The possums came and ate the food. I put out some more food. The raccoons came and ate the food. So, I don't know. I'll be watching extra careful for him today and hoping that he comes. I think it's Wednesday is the day I've got to try to catch him. Thursday's the day I take him for the surgery. So, you know, I need him to be regular coming. Hey, Mart. Mart was out and now he's back in. He can't make up his mind. When I'm in the kitchen working on Legos, I don't care if I let him in and out 5 or 6 times. Hey, Gray. Good morning. Oh, big stretch. How's my girl? You good? Good girl. Do I have to leave my seat heater?
Yes. But I gave you a portable heater. It's all charged up. And mine's nice and warm.
Okay. The Ting guy's here teasing us this morning. I'm going to check my internet. My upload speed is still not right. If it's not right when I get home, I'm calling the supervisor. I have his number. They've had over 10 business days to fix it. They've not fixed it. And yeah, well, the super positive thing I have to say about today is it doesn't feel windy. I guess we'll see up at South Park out of the trees, but I got rain coming in later this week when it really warms up. And so I guess we better enjoy the sun while we can. Wow, we really noticed walking uphill with the weight vest into South Park today. You can tell we hadn't been doing it every day. You could definitely tell. Right, Donnie?
Yeah, I would say so. It was definitely noticeable.
We were both glad to get to the parking lot and be done with the upward climb, except, well, it's a little upward here, but not like the hills on the trail. Well, they're definitely all set up again today. We're headed back up to Jules now. We finished our walk. We did the Pokemon route twice today, so a little bit farther walk than normal. One more hill. I'm definitely feeling the hills and the weight vest today. Are you happy? Your bench is dry and it's in the sun. And you get, oh, your black fur is nice and toasty warm there. I bet that feels so good, buddy. I'm so happy for you. that you get to enjoy the sun for a few minutes. It's a good boy. Good boy. I see Morris inside the cat hotel. Marty's in the house and Stripe is, well, somewhere. She's such a good companion. Hear those big purrs? Yep, good girl. Wow, it's really nice and warm in here, Donnie.
Mm-hmm.
Marty's keeping you company.
Mm-hmm.
I used the little handheld vacuum cleaner, and Don said Marty actually had to lift his head for a minute just to make sure if that wasn't a problem for him. And then he put his head right back down.
Yeah, he's just like, oh.
That sun feels good. This is the warmest room in the house.
Yes, it is.
I'm going to start the day by building bag one, which I had skipped over. It's the bench, the roller coaster cars, hot dog stand, balloon cart, some other little stand, and all the minifigures. Because I want to finish off this area here, and I kind of want to see how those pieces fit over here before I finish it. So probably bag one, some or all of this area finished, and then start on more coaster stuff over here. I'm applying some stickers, and on the Ladies Lego Lounge and Beyond Facebook group, which I adore as much as Tesla Divas, they said to put the sticker on the very end of the brick separator tool, and that they'll never go on crooked again. And I've done 2, and it's like a game changer. So this, much better than a finger, allows you to get it straight. I am really, I was like, I kind of scoffed and wondered, and but it's very effective. Give it a try if you're putting on Lego stickers. It's 6:20. Dawn's stopping for the day, and I'm stopping for the day. I'm gonna call this done. Yeah, I got bag one put together, the hot dog stand, a bench, the sign, the pretzel stand, the balloon bicycle, and then I grabbed from bag 5 the entrance sign stuff, and I made 2 additional benches to kind of fill it out. I decided to go with light bluish gray instead of sand tan, and I futzed back and forth with how big to make what. I had a lot of this white fence. I still have more of this white fence, so I decided that fencing would make it look nice. I've used all the minifigures that came with it, so I'm going to need more minifigures. But that's okay. A mom and her boys are coming in the front entrance there, and you know, I've got my guys selling and my people buying, and then this guy sitting on the bench with his pretzel. I want to get a couple more hot dog buns, and maybe one of the kids is holding a hot dog too. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I went back and forth on it a lot, and I'm satisfied enough. I have made these so they don't move. I said I've made them so they don't move. I guess that one was just not quite pushed down. I guess I get to fix it again. But they have holders. I hate loose stuff in my displays. I can't stand it. They have to be. So I've got them held down. I'll fix that now. Oops.